What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be showing you this case today that we just got in the mail. It is the T-Wings CMT 710 dual system PC case. And I keep looking at the button. Sorry. The phone's different because the GoPro's like right in the middle. Look at the box. I'm probably, what, 4 feet from it, and it takes up literally the entire fucking hallway, man. Like, so little did I know, this thing comes put together already, okay? So, we're gonna drag it in the office, we're gonna open it up, and then we're gonna put a PC in it. That thing's fucking gigantic, huh? What do you think? It's pretty fucking big. Yeah. So, because it's 2 feet. So this case is like 2 feet deep. So currently, we have a Thermaltake Core P90, which was a complete mistake for me to even get. Because I didn't know if I was going to be able to get a water block capable GPU, or I want to get a good brand like EK or something like that to water block the GPU. So, we have the Asus ROG Dark Hero X570 Ryzen 9 3900X Gigabyte 3080, but it does work extremely fucking well. It's just ugly as shit, and it has like one water block that you can get. Some cable mod cables. I'd like to do some custom ones eventually. We got our ROG Thor 850, and that's about it. And we got 3 SSDs there, one on the inside, one 2 terabyte Seagate Barracuda that's old as shit. And we're going to do a huge, like, 480 mil rad right here and do a custom loop, right? Now, custom loop's still possible for the new case because it's a dual PC setup. So I could do a water loop and 2 radiators for just the 2 CPUs. Put like a 300 mil rad, 380, something crazy like that in the case, and do a complete custom loop for just the 2 processors, which should probably be the 3900X and the 3700X on the ITX build that we're going to talk about in a second. But other than that, the plan right now is to do 2 Asus AIOs. So it'll have 2 280 mil rads in the front, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I show you the case. You'll have 2 280s in the front, AIOs to the processors. I don't really, oh my god, look at all the notifications. Oh, interesting. Swipe too many times, guys. Sometimes you gotta swipe left or right or whatever. I don't know. Fucking hashtag OnlyFans or some shit. But we're gonna cram all these parts in this fucking case. It's got plenty of room for what I want to do. But it'll be real easy to do the capture card and everything. And I think we can even mount the capture card and do a, what do you call these? A riser cable for the PCI Express X1 slot. And go through this case to the other side and mount the capture card right behind the 3080. So, like, share, subscribe on that motherfucker right there. TBMG official, baby. Let's go. I'll be with you guys here when I find a knife, I guess. With my knife! Mom!
You probably left it out there.
I did leave it out there. I don't know how much I'm going to edit out of this video. I don't really even care. Louie, hold this fucking camera, dude. There is tempered glass in here that I hope I don't cut. If you guys didn't notice, the Core P90 by Thermaltake is actually a sick case. Look it up. Might link it in the description below. I love the case. But for what I'm going to do, it just doesn't work, and I compromised on the case. It was real cheap compared to this one. This thing retails at like $489. So, we'll see what happens. Y'all better enjoy this fucking content. Because I bought a $500 fucking computer case for this shit. For assembly, please scan QR code. Bitch, this motherfucker better be put together. So, what we got? Instructions right out the gate. Which is, oh, I bet it comes in 2 halves. And then you put the front panel connector on. This thing's gonna be sick. I hope we don't have to assemble it. And the brand, I believe, is FPS. So, oh yeah. Oh man, I hope it's not just in a bunch of pieces like this. I mean, this box is big enough for it to be assembled in. Oh, so can we just oh my god. Here, I gotta put this down for a second.
You know, I'm trying to do college work.
I know you're trying to do college. Here, you're gonna have to just record this real quick. Watch your finger on the lens right there. So, we got the glass right here. There's 2 pieces of glass. And I thought this was like a box with parts in it. But it just needs all this padding right here. See it? I don't even know where I'm going to put it. And it comes in a bag. Can you see the bag?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dude, this is going to be sick. I don't even know where to pick it up from. Holy shit. You might have to stand up to get it.
Or you can bring the box closer.
Holy shit. Louie, what are you doing, buddies? You ready? Oh my god, bro. Now I know why it costs $500. This thing is fucking huge. I don't even know how to get it out. Oh, I don't want to grab that. I guess we just grab it. Whoa. Damn, that's thick. She's a thick bitch. This is actually kind of hard to do. Alright, ready? I'm excited to see this shit. Remember, this is the one I wanted to begin with. I compromised for the other one. Holy hell! Tell me that's not the sickest shit. Holy fuck. Be a lot of dolphin noises in this video, maybe, I don't know. That is a thick bitch. So this is all RGB up here. Dang, dude. Might need a little tightening, I guess. Yeah, definitely. So, let me spin it around. That is a gnarly looking motherfucker.
What's that one RoboCop movie, or is it RoboCop, where it's got that crazy like red mask?
I don't think that's RoboCop, honey.
That's why I'm trying to have you help me figure out where it's red or black.
I'm trying to like figure out. So overall, this can fit an ATX motherboard and an ITX motherboard for a streaming system, right? So we're gonna do ITX X570 Asus Strix board. We're going to do 32 gigs of RAM, an SF600 watt power supply, and a capture card in one system. Oh, I hope that motherboard has built-in video too. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go get one of those shitty-ass Asus cards up there. Or just take your 6700 XT. And then the other side will have my current system, 3900X 3080 Dark Hero X570 chipset. So.
Or is it the movie Red?
Retired Extremely Dangerous with Bruce Willis. Hell yeah.
Just look at the front of it. That's what it makes me think of.
I think you're thinking of something else, but I don't know. Let me see. Alright, so overall, this thing's sick. You guys kind of what's going on here. So right here, you have room for like a 280 mil rad, another 280 mil rad 3-fan. And then over here, you have storage space for your SSDs and such drive type things. It does give you one bracket for your like capture card or whatever you need here. But over here, which is kind of hard to tell. Oh god, I almost poked my eye out. How can I see that? Oh, see, there's some screw holes there, right? So you can actually mount your GPU vertical because it has these little slots right here already. So you could technically fit a capture card right here behind the GPU, and not even use this, and put a graphics card on this system instead if you really needed it. But then you have your ATX power supply, I believe, goes over here, and then your SF, which is there's enough room for an ATX power supply here. But all right, what do we got? Front panel connectors. Here's the part that gets. How do you set this case up? Is it possible to mod one power button to run two systems? I've never had to do it. So, because we have a power and a reset button right there, two USB 3.1, and then on this side we have front audio, USB-C, USB 3.1, reset, and power. Can we mod the front button to run two systems? What do you think? I don't know. Overall, I am absolutely freaking ecstatic with how this looks. I got the gold one because I didn't really like the red for some reason. I guess the red would have looked a little bit better than the gold, because it would have gone better with like pink. But we can always like take these little pieces off here in these standoffs and get them painted. There is a ton of room down here as well. And then the center channel here is for all your cable management. So yeah, this might be slightly difficult to cable manage. But overall, I think this thing is going to come out crazy. Dual system. It's huge. Wow. What is this right here? Let me get this out. I assume this is just a little bit of extra hardware for mounting hard drives and SSDs and stuff. So I have 4 SSDs currently in that PC and one big 2 terabyte hard drive. So we're gonna have to figure out how to mount a 4th SSD. Probably just use an adapter and mount it here. Oh, it does have holes already for it. Look at that, 2.5-inch drives. But it is nice to give you room right there to run your power cables. They're a lot closer together than on this case. Man, we're about to start building. What are you talking about? But, okay, so I'm going to just leave the unboxing there. I think this is already like 13 minutes. I'm not going to edit this shit. Just going to straight up post it after we look at this box. Okay. Get a little bit of cable management. Some screws and a socket for your standoffs for the motherboard, and you get 2 extra glass screws, which are right here. These things. So you get 2 extras of these right here. These pieces. Yep. So overall, I'll be able to utilize this USB-C because I do have a USB-C connector on my Dark Hero motherboard. But I really think we can mod these cables together to make one power button work for both systems. If that's not possible, please let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the build video when we're actually putting this bitch together. Probably be a pretty half-assed video, but see you guys later.